pulsating and making too much noise going through the house. That's mandatory that gets put on the units now.
So that's just for the 25 VNA or for all the models?
Just for the VNA. It was made specifically for that.
Okay, so the indoor coil's kicking in. Now it's ready to kick in cool mode. Can I step up here?
Sounds like it's getting ready to kick in.
Accidentally hit the off button there, but it started up pretty much the same way it did in heat mode. It sounds like there's something wrong with it when it starts up, but that's how it's supposed to sound?
Yep. When you install it, you don't want to put it underneath somebody's bed window.
I thought the whole point of these heat pumps was to be like quieter for...
Quieter once it gets started.
What about outside a bedroom wall? Like, but with no window?
It's got good insulation.
Because my grandmother's 3.5 ton Goodman, you can hear the whole thing. When it starts up, it's like you're standing in a massage chair. It vibrates all the floors in the house.
Oh yeah.
3.5 ton 2004 Goodman. For some reason, installing a new programmable thermostat alleviated some of the problem. It's weird. So yeah, there's all the gas lines. Air comes out there. Don't want to touch that. Is that killing it?
Yeah.
And what model's the boiler over there?
I don't even know. I think it's a carrier boiler.
And it is winding down, I think. So yeah, that is a Carrier 25 VNA. And it is spooling down.
When did we buy a damn carrier? Oh no.
All these brand new units over here. Yeah, this is the Mana heat pump with a bad compressor. A Dave Lennox Signature Series heat pump. Nothing wrong with this one. And this battery's about to die. Yeah, there's all the inner workings of a Carrier Comfort Series air conditioner. And this one is not broken either. These ones were installed at the company owner's house, and he just likes to try new units from time to time. So there's nothing wrong with this Carrier or this Lennox. He's just kind of testing units. That is a nice unit right there. Lennox Signature Series. And that's an interesting blade pattern right there. Look at that. Let's see if I can get a model number off this thing. Oh, you can see all the guts of this one. There's the filter dryer. Can't find a damn model number on here. Yeah, there's all the guts. There's the Copeland compressor right there. Nice unit. Very nice unit. I think that's an XP17 or an XP21. One of the higher end models. Nice new units over there. Still in the wrapping, a couple of carriers. This battery might actually last. Bunch of A coils. There's another Infinity over there. Heat pump. Look at all that copper. And this one's from 2009. That's a new one. It's a 16 series. Is this the top of the line one? So many pretty colors. This was actually the trainer unit that was replaced by the GreenSpeed. Alright. Okay, so yeah, that's the Infinity ICS again. And then there's one more Amana, and then we will wrap this up. And that's a, he said that was a 2-ton, right?
I think so.
Yeah, that's the exact unit I have.
Is the cover still on it?
Yeah, it is. That's the exact model I have.
24, yeah, it's 2-ton.
Yeah, that's the exact same one I have. But mine has 2 blades and it's slightly more aerodynamic looking than this. And the Amana. The other bad Amana. Amana should really stick to making kitchen appliances. Blown compressor. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.